Greetings everyone. This video is for those who doesn't have Mihon and want a complete setup tutorial, and it is also for those who is using Mihon but don't know how to properly set up everything. Don't worry, I have covered everything in this video. So watch till the end without skipping. Let's get started. The download link for Mihon is given in description or you can find it in comment. Download and install it. When we first open the app, it will show like this. Here you can choose any theme you like. I like dark and this theme lavender is my favorite. Click on select a folder. Your file explorer will open here. You have to create a new folder. I will name it Mihon. And click on select. Now you have to grant these two options. Click on get started. Installation process is done. Right now there is no manga extension as you can see. Here you have to click on this setting icon, extension reports written underneath. Click on add. As for this link that I pasted on video, you can get this link from this video. Video link is given in description. After adding this link, if you go back and do a refresh, all the manga extensions will be back. There are many extensions, so many of them don't work properly. If you want to get working extension, then do check out this video. Video link is given in description. For now, I will be installing Bato.2. You can click on download icon and install this extension easily. After installing, click on this shield icon and click on trust. You don't need to worry about this. It's just these extensions are third party, so it's asking your permission to trust or not. Now open this extension. I will just select randomly any manga. If you click on this heart icon, add to library written underneath, it will be added to your library where you can find easily later. You can also download chapters to read offline. You just need to click on this download icon. If you go back, open library, here you will see the manga that I have just added. Right now, there is no categories to add the manga. We just have to create it. Hold the manga and add down there will be this tag icon. Click on that and click on categories and click on add and make any categories you like. I will add reading, completed and plan to read. Now go back and hold the manga and click on tag icon and edit to correct categories. Now you can find manga easily which you're reading and which you have completed. It just looks clean like this. Now is for reading setting. Open any chapter, then click on setting. On reading mode, click on long strip. This way it will be easier to read or you can try others which you like. If you open more and click on download queue, here you will be shown which chapter is currently downloading. Open settings and click on tracking. You can log in on which you have saved your manga list. I would recommend Kitsu cause it got all the manga library unlike ML and AnyList. If you don't have Kitsu account, open any browser, search Kitsu and open this site and just create an account and log in on Mihon Tracker. As you can see on the screen, there is all the manga list that I have tracked directly through Mihon. So the question is how to track. Go on the manga that you want to track. Here you can see tracking. Click on that. First of all, you should have login on Kitsu. Just like I have, you can add how many chapters you have read and also give ratings. Now if you go on Kitsu, here you can see the manga we have just added on Mihon. It will be added here. This is for if in the future if your phone got damaged and you lost your all data, you just have to log in this account on Kitsu and you will get all the manga that you have saved. So this is it. There isn't much in this app. Go and read manga and have fun. If you face any problem on Mihon, you can DM me on Insta or comment down. Thank you for watching.